It's a syndicate at night, blasting baby.
Hello YouTube world. This is probably my 4th or 5th attempt at making this video. So I really hope that it goes well. So last week I broke my phone. So obviously, you know, I was kind of screwed as far as finishing any videos. My boyfriend was super sweet to me today. He bought me the video editing software that I was using a free trial of. That was another reason why I haven't made this video. So I finally can show you guys the progress of my hair, and it's actually going to look good. Let me turn it on. So, this is what my hair is looking like at the moment. It's not super curly because I did not do the curly girl method yesterday because I was tired. I actually used a regular towel on my hair, so that's probably why it's so like frizzy. But I just wanted to show you guys what my routine has kind of become, like what the results I'm getting from it are, because I've been doing the curly girl method for about a month now, and I've just really seen my hair is so happy. My hair has never been this healthy in my life. I went and got it cut recently, and my friend slash hairstylist, hairdresser, told me that my hair was just incredibly healthy. She brushed it, which I haven't brushed my hair in a very, very long time. She brushed it and nothing came out. She was just kind of raving about how healthy my hair was, so that made me feel really good. So here's my current routine. So I washed yesterday, so I don't need to wash again today, but I used the Manuka Honey and Yogurt Shea Moisture shampoo, and then I also have been using their conditioner as well. You can tell because it's like halfway gone. And I absolutely love this conditioner. It's like the best thing that has ever happened to my hair. So normally I just go ahead and shampoo, which I won't do today. Then I condition and I do my whole squish to condish, do it upside down. And then I mostly wash it out. And then I go ahead and put my silicone-free Miracle Styler leave-in treatment, sugarcane extract, and Meadowfoam seed. This is absolutely awesome as well, and it smells really, really good. So that's what I do once I get out of the shower. I haven't been using any kind of holding stuff because when I first started, I was using gel, and I really don't like the way that gel, I don't like the texture. Even after I scrunch out, it just really bothers me if I miss a spot and there's a crunchy spot. So I've been wanting to experiment with mousse, but I don't really need that much hold. I mean, my hair is not super curly, so it's not like, I'm not trying to get it to hold in a different shape. I'm just trying to get my hair as healthy as possible so it'll return to its most natural texture. So after I get a shower, I usually plop my hair, which I'll show you guys that. Before or after, really just depending on how I'm feeling. If I want to put it in, I put this comeback curl stuff in. Honestly, I haven't really been liking it. I like to go to Walgreens and stand there and just stare at all the things. And last time I was there, it was between this guy or the, what do you call it? The hair mask, the Cantu hair mask. And I was just, I'm very dissatisfied that I chose this. So I don't know. But I'll show you the whole process, and then my plopping, and then we'll let my hair dry and just kind of show you the progress that my hair has made in the last month, because honestly it's pretty incredible. So thanks for watching. Yeah, so this is going to be our before shot. My mostly straight hair. I mean, it always has a little bit of curl underneath. Your hair long my skin, that pain, honey, your tongue rolls that way. Feed me nectar sweet from pale blossoms under feet, swimming through the joy brought to me by your mouth, so boy, this fine tasted like summertime. That life is still the sunshine wine. Can you feel it now? Love is coming for you somehow, to free you from the pain, fear the fight, light up your world, firework bright. Arms her. The price of beauty. The price of beauty. Wanna have pretty hair, Sam? Do you? So fashionable. I'm a fashion icon. Okay, I also need to like do some personal hygiene stuff. So I guess I'll show you guys that. Because I've been lazy. And you can see that my teeth probably need to be brushed. Which is gross. And I'm sorry. It's nasty. I figured I'd let you know that I'm on top of it. So yeah, I didn't put in this thing because I don't feel like it right now. But I may put it in after I take it out of the plop. I did a very loose plop because I don't like it when things constrict around me. It's a weird thing. So, yeah. Also, I don't know if y'all can tell, I'm getting a really bad pimple right there, so I just need to do some skincare shit. Desperately.
It's a syndicate at night, blasting playpen in the daytime. Goosebumps rise at 9 and settle back down at sunrise. Cut the cord at noon and say you'll be back soon. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's get girly. Tut-tut, no worries, please get back early. Head out with champagne and dresses and let's.
So my hair is drying. As you can tell, it has a little bit of extra happy curl to it. I have a question for all y'all curly girls. I saw this recently. Do you like the side part? I've never been a big fan of the middle part personally, and I've been trying to get my hair to the side part for many years, but it doesn't really work out very well. So I think I'm gonna go sit outside and read for a little bit. And let my hair dry because it's super, super nice outside. So I just want to like enjoy it. Such a nice day. My neighbor's tulips are growing behind me. I don't know if you can tell, there's like little ringlet right there. That's honestly a lot of a ringlet for me, especially on the front of my hair, so see how it dries.
Get girly, here's some booze. your teenage ground, running from pub to club like bloodhounds, from 10 till 6 a.m. and no one knows how to stop them.
Alright guys, my hair's like 90% dry, so I figured I'd kind of show you the results. So I'm really happy with how it turned out today, actually. It's always a little bit flat on top. I think that's just like my curse, but I think it turned out really good. So I just wanted to talk to you guys really quick about like what I've learned and what I've taken away from this whole process. So it's been over a month. It's probably been like a month and a week since I started. I'm not 100% sure on the exact day, but the main changes that I have seen in my hair have been a huge increase in volume. For once in my life, it's been really incredible because normally my hair is very greasy when I don't wash it for a couple of days, and so when I have hair, I have to wash it like pretty much every day to ensure that it's not greasy. And now that I've been doing the curly girl method, my scalp has just adjusted and I don't need to wash my hair that often. I can wash it like twice, 3 times a week. I've been washing it just as needed recently, and it really hasn't needed to be washed that much. It feels like all the conditioner that I'm using is just really locking that moisture into my hair. So that leads me into the biggest things that I've learned about this, which are I live in a very dry climate, so your mileage is probably going to vary as far as trying to gain some waves. I would say if you're in a more humid climate, it's going to be a lot easier. You're probably going to deal with more frizz, obviously, but honestly, I would prefer frizz over complete and utter flatness, which is pretty much what we got out here out west. But really the important thing, at least for me it seems, is just to condition my hair as much as possible. So to condition. So I condition every day in the shower. I have leave-in conditioner, and I also have added in a like a hair mask conditioner. It's like a deep conditioner is what it is, and I used that once, and I feel like it just really revitalized my hair. And that day, I actually ended up using 3 different types of conditioner, and my hair was just so like moisturized. It's crazy. I never realized how much your hair is like your skin. Like you need to moisturize your hair. You don't like if your hair is dried out, like obviously you probably need to add some moisture. So this is my 1 month progress. I'm gonna put up some pictures that kind of, I think, show it off a little bit better because this camera kind of sucks. But yeah, so let me know if you guys have any questions, any comments. If you think that my hair doesn't look much different, cool, good for you. But I'm just really pleased with how it came out. So just let me know if you guys need any advice. I'll link you down to the subreddit and just some informational stuff, as well as write down the products that I showed earlier. So hope you guys enjoyed. I'm so happy I got to make this video. It makes me so happy that I can make a video again. Oh my god. Okay. Obviously it's very distracting though, so I need to go write some words so I can make a living. Cool. Thanks for talking to me. Love you all. Have a good day. Stay positive. Take care of your hair.